Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to the channel Better Communication, Better Life. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, and the topic is English a language or a subject? We study many subjects in our school, but what about English? Is it a subject or is it a language? If it is a subject, then it should be studied like a subject, and if it is a language, then it must be studied like a language. That is more important. Like other subjects, first we need to understand social science, mathematics, science. They are subjects, they impart knowledge, okay. But here when it is the matter of English, it is a language, and a language needs to be taught like a language. But unfortunately we are studying English as a subject, and the English is being taught as a subject also. That is why even today, after so many years, after a long practice, even today we are not able to communicate in a proper way. Dear student, just think that you have passed every year English question paper when you were, and you started English learning from the childhood, and even today you are learning. But the problem is that after spending a lot of time, after spending so many years, even today we are not able to communicate properly in English. We are not even fluent at English, and even today we are hesitating. What is the reason behind it? How many years does a language need to be taught, need to learn? That is more important. The actual thing is that we all are studying English as a subject. We never studied English as a language. If you study, if you start learning English like a language, then definitely this language will not be a problem for you. It will be a fine assistance for you. So dear friends, first we have to cultivate a habit that English is not a mere subject like science, social science, but it is a language, and a language is to be mastered. How did you learn Hindi? Did you learn grammar first? I don't think so. We only imitated the people. When a child starts learning Hindi, what does he do? He simply imitate the people around him or her, and gradually the fellow starts speaking. First he will stammer, but later gradually the child starts speaking language in a good way. In the same way, we need to cultivate the habit of speaking English. Don't think that it is a subject. If you think it is a subject, then definitely you will pass every year, but you will fail in learning. So, first we should know it well that English is not a mere subject. It is a language, and a language is to be studied well. A language is to be learnt well. And language speaking itself is a skill. And like other skills, this skill can also be learnt. But it needs a good practice, and the practice of speaking a language. Gradually you will be understanding everything. So what I wanted to tell you through this video is that stop studying English as a subject. Start studying English as a language. That is more important. And if you start doing so, definitely you are going to be a very good communicator, a very good orator, and a fine speaker as well. I hope I could make some sense. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks once again. See you in the next video.